Sound healing as we know it in Himalayan singing bowls from Divine Soul Sound under Dr. Sujata Singhi. My experience of learning sound healing goes back 6 months, where I learned self-healing from her, and it has been an extraordinary journey from past 6 months experiencing sound healing for myself. Before I talk about the training that we did recently about professional sound healing, I would like to talk about my experience that I had with self-healing, self-sound healing. Since my onset of menstrual cycle during my teens, I have had PCOD, which comes as a it comes in hereditary, and I have been suffering from PCOD since a very long time, and anything that I would do, it would not improve. I would have a menstrual cycle of 35-40 days, and this was a cause of concern because it used to adversely affect my health. But since last 6 months, since I started doing this sound healing on myself, I have found that I have now come to a point where I have a proper, perfect 28 days cycle. So thank you so much, Dr. Sujata Singhi. It wouldn't have happened if it were not for the sound therapy that you taught me, and how do you perform, how do you do these therapies on yourself first, heal yourself first, and only then I have taken up professional sound healing. As a therapist, I thought that's my responsibility to help myself first, and then I am able to help others or my clients better when I'm equipped with sound healing. And now that this magic has happened in my life, where I have my PCOD is like cured, almost cured, I would like to see this magic in others too. And that's when I decided I'll be taking up this course and I would want to learn this. And during this process, during this training, the 3-day training that we had with Dr. Sujata Singhi, she guided us. It was a beautiful experience of 3 days, practically magic happening every therapy that we do, releasing so many things. Like there was a trauma and a void, an emotional void that I had since childhood, which I released, going back to even experiencing pains and aches, and which I never knew existed in my cellular body, even to an extent where I could experience an episode of maybe from a past life. It was that intense. It was an amazing experience where now I feel much more lighter, and there was always a thirst, always up till now, that I need to learn something, I need to know something, I need to gain knowledge. And after this sound healing, this professional sound healing therapy that I did with Dr. Singhi, I have found my way, I have found my purpose. I am now satisfied with what I have, and it's time now to serve the mankind. It is such a divine plan that Dr. Singhi, I was able to do this training with Dr. Singhi, where she guided me on every step, on every therapy. She was like a mother when she had to be. She was like a teacher when she had to be. She was like a mentor when she had to be. It was an amazing experience, and it's been a magical journey till now, and I hope that it continues to be the same for my clients too. Thank you so much. With a lot of gratitude, Dr. Singhi, that you have taught me this this you've given me this tool to help the mankind, and I would recommend everyone who sees this video to take up, learn sound healing, so learn sound therapy from Dr. Sujata Singhi, because she is the one who has researched it so thoroughly, each and every ailment mentioned, and how much frequency do you need to give, to such minute details. She has created this beautiful tool where we can adapt it, learn it, excel in it, and serve the mankind today. And thank you so much. I would end it here with a lot of gratitude